Welcome back. What we're now going to do is go inside of our membership level and we're going to add in a few elements. And we're going to come into our dashboard and we're going to come inside of our setup area. We're then going to go to the Getting Started link. We're going to click inside of our product. Using the wizard, we're going to skip forward to the integrations. We're going to add in a payment provider. And we're also going to add in a third-party email service. We're then going to click Save. We're going to come back to our integrations area. We're going to click on our email provider. What we're then going to do is we're going to click this List tab. You'll notice then we have our product. We're going to edit this level. We're then going to add in a specific list inside of our MailChimp account. We're going to add in that if the individual is removed from this level, we're going to unsubscribe them from the list. We'll then click Save and Close. So now we have an individual added to a specific list automatically when they become part of our product or membership. Now we've chosen Stripe as our payment provider. What we're going to do is we're going to come inside of our Stripe area. We're going to make sure that we're still connected. What we're then going to do is we're going to go inside of the products area. We're then going to click on this link. We're going to set up a one-time payment. We're going to set up the amount. We're then going to click Save and Close. And we have some specific instructions for Stripe inside of Wishlist Member. We're being told to put this webhook inside of our Stripe dashboard. Now again, every payment provider is going to be different in the way that it works with Wishlist Member. So inside of Stripe, what we're going to do is click Add Endpoint. We're then going to add in the webhook. We're then going to select Receive All Events. We're then going to click Add Endpoint. Now for this individual payment processor, we have done what has been required. Again, depending on what payment processor you're going to be using, your process may be different as dictated by Wishlist Member. What we're now going to do is to come back to our integrations for Stripe. We're going to grab the button code for this individual product. We're going to copy this button code. We're going to add in a shortcode block on a specific WordPress page. We're going to add in our shortcode. We're then going to click Preview. We then have our payment button, and we can then click Publish. We can then view our page, and we are now ready to take payment for our product, which will be protected by Wishlist Member. Now that we have our page, we can test our pay button. We can click our button. And you'll see here where the individual can register for our product and make payment through our processor, which we chose to be Stripe. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.